Good morning, you guys. Oh my goodness. My alarm just went off. Technically it's 6:55. My alarm clock is 5 minutes ahead. I don't know why, but welcome back to another vloggy. I'm literally sick. I'm still sick, but I feel better, so get dressed for my first lecture of the day. Oh, I'm freezing. Please start I start another summer class. We're going again. Genetics, business calc, and now this is sociology classes. They're starting to end, so it's kind of crunch time. Skincare is all done. It's 7:14. So now I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear. College fucking sucks. Okay, especially for all my STEM major girlies out there, you know what I'm talking about. Last year is always the hardest because you want to be done. This class is only 50 minutes. It's not a fashion show. Here's the fit. This is just a sorority tee, obviously, and then pants are North Face, or shorts, sorry, are North Face, thrifted. So yeah, it's a cute little girl outfit. Okay, we did two little messy buns. They're sisters, not twins. The concentration. Chapstick. Love my Bliss sticks. So good. I just hate the fact that I have to shove my finger into it. Okay, fit, we're all ready, coffee's done. I'm about to forget my whole wallet, y'all. It's a Monday, New Crime Junkie episode. I'm so excited. Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays are so good because all three of my favorite true crime podcasts comes out with like new episodes. Turn this fucking fan off. I'm cold. I'm freezing. Well, I just got back from my morning class, which is my orgo lecture. Then I stayed on campus for a little bit, like for an additional like hour, and did some exam practice problems. I just feel I feel like my nerves are starting to get the best of me for this exam. It's 10:15. I'm gonna go make some breakfast and take out the chicken that I need to make for dinner tonight. I'm gonna have to cook. I don't want to cook, but I'm gonna have to. So I tried to take a nap, but I didn't fall asleep, and my alarm went off for my class. I just put my hair back into one singular bun. Packed a snack. It's 11:40. Let's head to campus. Anyways, we're back from class. I think it's like 3, but I'm going to go and cook dinner. Okay, so it happened very quickly, but I didn't show that I made, I put up 2 sets of chicken, in the freezer to freeze. One, I'm just gonna put in the air fryer and like slap some sauce over it. It just has simple Cajun seasoning on it. The other one I left blank because I just didn't know what to put on it, and I just didn't want to leave the chicken out. But I made some teriyaki chicken, which I'm super excited for. So I'm not gonna eat that tonight. Or maybe I will. Who knows? My mom sent me on Instagram. Literally super easy. Yeah, air fryer honey soy chicken thighs, and I'm also gonna make some broccoli to go with that, along with some rice. Guys, I've done it. It smells fucking delicious. Oh my goodness. I would say I was able to get the like the leftovers a little bit more crispy, and I'm gonna have to wash MJ's air fryer because the sauce was dripping in there. But take a look. It's honey soy sauce chicken breast basically, and then I made some broccoli and then rice. So we can take the first bite on camera together. If I set you guys up. Not me in the back. Okay. Oh my god, it smells so good. It reminds me so much of like hibachi, and I absolutely love hibachi, so this is just a great little like easy hibachi made. I allowed myself the hour to be lazy. We're gonna basically go clean up the kitchen. I'm gonna go take a shower to wash away this horrid day. I'm gonna do some order review at my desk because that'll force me to be productive. Okay, so I'm all lotioned up. I'm just wearing this little cardigan because I'm really cold. It's 7:39, so I think I might do like an hour because I don't want to upload my rain. Sorry, this angle is not flattering whatsoever, but I literally just sat down, wrote a little brain dump of just like important generalized things that I just need to like remember for this angle for going into the exam. But I'm going to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thanks for coming along a day in life, and I will see you guys in the next one.